Howdy crew, got an update on when the truck is going to be built. Finally, got an update on it. Let's get to it. So the update on the truck. I know this video will be posted a lot later and it's going to be posted closer to when it's going to be built or after. I don't know when it's going to be posted, published and everything, but ordered the truck here in July and I did get the update. It has been approved and the build date is going to be September 30th. So I'm planning to get this video actually published very near to that date. Again, I've been doing a lot of stuff, running around like a chicken with head cut off, trying to get all this stuff done. And the videos are going to be published later, but obviously I will keep y'all updated on anything that's going to happen with the truck, any equipment, whatnots. And as I said before, I'll keep y'all running up until the rig is being fully built. And once the rig is completely built, all these videos will be published for y'all to see. And then once I start working with the rig, that will continue from there. So these will all be catch up. I'm doing them in a shorter order, so these will all be published later, and that way you all have a lot of stuff going at once, a lot of videos coming in. And then once the welding rig is fully built and it's ready to go out in the field, then those videos will start then. So there may be a little bit extra tightness with the videos. Some may be posting multiples a day, I'm not sure yet, but hopefully this will be timed properly with the videos in front of it to where it's going to be close to September 30th. So I do hope it was planned properly, but that is the update, that the truck will be built by Ford on September 30th. Now, whether it lapses into the next day, whatnot, I'm not sure. And I did look it up. How long does it take to build an F350 at a Ford manufacturing plant? It's kind of funny because ordering in July and it's going to be built September 30th. Does it take weeks to build it? Does it take days? It actually takes about 16 to 18 hours to build the truck. So I don't know whether it's going to be started and finished all on September 30th. If it's going to be lapsing several shifts. I don't know how they're running their plants. But September 30th, hopefully this video is posting very, very close to that day. And I'm just very, very excited for it. September 30th is going to be built. When it's going to be delivered, I have no clue. I don't know if they need to hold on to it for a bit. The F-150 that I have, it got held over for a long time because of chip shortage. So that's in the mind. Hopefully it doesn't take super long, but that is the update. September 30th, it will be starting to be built by Ford. And any updates from there, I will keep y'all posted. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next video.